Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pasquini 90 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a little bit of work, starting by replacing the water tank, this one that you see right here. As you can see, this one is cracked in different places and it just needed to be replaced. We also replaced the vacuum release valve, the one that you see right here. This one seals the boiler so you will not have steam escaping from the boiler itself and the steam will get the temperature. This was leaking steam, so we're replacing that, and we also replaced the leg that was over here. This leg was not the right one, it was just in this one. What else we did? We also replaced the shower screen, this one that you see right here. As you can see, it's pretty clogged with coffee and a bunch of other stuff. And the gasket, this is what actually survived the gasket. As you guys know, all gaskets are rubbery and squishy. This one, not so much. And yeah, it's just a piece of plastic at this point. It will break, it breaks. So yeah, that's all. Oh yeah, we also descaled the machine. Took a little bit of a couple of water tanks to completely fully descale it, but we were able to descale the machine successfully. And as you can see, the machine is having excellent pressure. Nice. Our water working excellent, as you can see. And the button is off. Oh, it was off. Alright, we'll wait for the machine to get back to pressure. Apologies for that, as the machine was off probably while I was cleaning it and polishing the metal. And now, as you can see, the machine is fully at pressure. It's definitely on. Shower. Like I said, we don't have the portafilter of the machine, so we will not be able to pull up a shot. But as you can see, the shower screen, the flow from the shower screen is really great. Now the machine perfect. Now this is the full pressure of the machine, and as you can see, really good. Excellent steam, really good temperature, and hot water, working excellent. And there you have it, Pasquini 90 working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.